If you are experiencing the Ntoskrnl Exe error, or the blue screen of death on your system, this video will provide a solution that works for both normal and safe modes. The first step involves using the Windows Memory Diagnostic tool. To access this, press the Windows key and the R key simultaneously on your keyboard. In the Run dialog box that appears, type mdsched and press Enter. The system will prompt you to restart and check for problems. Click to restart now and allow the tool to perform its checks. The next diagnostic step is to utilize the Event Viewer. You can easily find the Event Viewer by searching for it in the Windows search bar. Once opened, navigate to Windows Logs, expand it, then go to System. In the Find section, type Memory Diagnostic and press Enter. If the tool detects any errors, it will also specify the driver associated with the error. In my case, there are no current errors. However, if you find an error, the next course of action is to update the identified driver. If updating the driver does not resolve the issue, it may indicate a hardware problem with your RAM, and replacing the RAM would be necessary. While reinstalling the operating system might seem like an option, it is unlikely to fix this particular problem, as it will likely reoccur. Hope this was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed. As always, thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.